Hello, friends. This is Joey. Welcome to EnglishSpeakEz, your safe space for learning English step by step. You know, this morning I woke up, looked out my window, and saw dark clouds everywhere. I thought about going for a walk, but then I wondered, will it rain? Should I bring an umbrella? And suddenly, I realized something beautiful. Weather is something we all share, no matter where we live in the world. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about the weather in English. Now you might think, Joey, why is weather so important? Well, weather is the easiest way to start a conversation with anyone. When you meet someone new, when you see a neighbor, when you want to be friendly, talking about the weather is perfect. By the end of our time together today, you're going to accomplish 3 wonderful things. First, you'll learn simple words to describe different types of weather. Second, you'll know how to start a friendly conversation about the weather. And third, you'll feel confident using these words in your daily life. Let me tell you a story. Imagine Maria. She just moved to a new city for work. On her first day, she walks into the elevator with a colleague. They stand there in silence. It feels awkward. Then she remembers the weather. She looks at her colleague and says, "It's really cold today, isn't it?" And just like that, the ice breaks. Her colleague smiles and says, "Yes, it is. I forgot my jacket." They laugh together, and suddenly Maria doesn't feel so alone anymore. I know what you might be thinking. Maybe you're worried that your English isn't good enough. Maybe you think you'll make mistakes. But here's what I learned. Making mistakes is not failing. Making mistakes is learning. Every single person who speaks English well today made thousands of mistakes along the way. Let me clear up something important. Some people say, you need perfect pronunciation to speak English. That's not true. As long as people understand you, you're communicating successfully. Communication isn't about perfection. It's about connection. Now let's imagine a conversation. Picture this. Tom meets his neighbor Sarah in the hallway. Tom says, "Good morning, Sarah. Nice weather today." Sarah smiles and says, "Yes, it's so sunny." "I love it." Tom nods and says, "Me too. Yesterday was really rainy." Sarah agrees. "I know, I got wet walking home." Tom laughs. "Oh no. Did you have an umbrella?" Sarah shakes her head. "No, I forgot it." Tom smiles. "Well, today is better. Have a great day. Do you see how natural that was?" Tom and Sarah use simple words. They didn't need complicated sentences. They just shared their experiences about the weather, and it created a warm, friendly moment. Let's start with the basic words. When the sun is shining brightly, we say it's sunny. Listen. It's sunny. You might say, "It's sunny today." Let's go to the park. Or you might text your friend, "The weather is sunny." Perfect for a picnic. Sometimes there are clouds in the sky. When this happens, we say it's cloudy. You might say, "It's a bit cloudy this morning." Or you could say, "Yesterday was sunny, but today is cloudy." When water falls from the sky, we say, "It's rainy," or "It's raining." Both are correct. You might say, "It's rainy today." "I need my umbrella." Or, "Look outside." It's raining. Sometimes the rain is gentle and light. We say it's drizzling. This means light rain. Very soft rain. You might say, "It's not really raining. It's just drizzling." But when the rain is very strong, we say it's pouring. You might say, "Wow, it's really pouring outside." Let's wait a few minutes. When air moves strongly, we say, "It's windy." You might say, "Be careful. It's very windy outside." Or, "I love windy days. The air feels fresh." Now, Let's talk about temperature. When the air feels warm and pleasant, we say, it's warm. You might say, it's warm today. I don't need a jacket. When the temperature is very high, we say, it's hot. You might say, wow, it's really hot today. I need water. When the temperature is low, we say, it's cold. You might say, it's cold today. Where's my coat? And when it's very, very cold, we say, it's freezing. You might say, don't go out without a coat. It's freezing. When the temperature is comfortable, not hot and not cold, we say, it's cool. You might say, I love autumn. The weather is cool and nice. When white frozen water falls from the sky, we say, it's snowing. You might say, look outside. It's snowing. Everything is white. Now let me teach you how to use these words in conversations. The most common way is to start with it's and then add the weather word. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's cold. This is the simplest and most natural way. You can also say, the weather is, and then describe it. The weather is nice today. The weather is terrible. For example, the weather is perfect for a walk. Another pattern is it's a, and then the type of day. It's a sunny day. It's a rainy day. It's a beautiful day. You might say, it's a beautiful day. Let's go to the beach. When you want to compare weather, you can say, yesterday was sunny, but today is rainy. Or, last week was cold, but this week is warm. Now let's practice together. I'll say some sentences, and I want you to say them with me. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try your best. It's sunny today. Say it with me. It's sunny today. Beautiful. It's raining outside. Let's try together. It's raining outside. Excellent. It's very cold this morning. Repeat after me. It's very cold this morning. Wonderful. The weather is nice. Say it with me. The weather is nice. Perfect. It's windy and cool. Let's say it together. It's windy and cool. Great job. Yesterday was hot, but today is cooler. Let's try it. Yesterday was hot, but today is cooler. Fantastic. It's a beautiful day. Say it with me. It's a beautiful day. So good. It's freezing outside. Let's try this one. It's freezing outside. Amazing. It's cloudy, but it's not raining. Let's take it slowly. It's cloudy, but it's not raining. Brilliant. I love sunny weather. Say it with me. I love sunny weather. Perfect. What lovely weather we're having. Let's say it. What lovely weather we're having. Beautiful. Did you feel that? That's real English. That's you speaking confidently. I'm so proud of you. Now, let me share my morning with you. Every morning, I wake up and look out my window. Today, it was cloudy. The sky was all gray. I thought, maybe it will rain later. So I brought my umbrella. When I stepped outside, it was cool and a bit windy. I felt the wind on my face. As I walked, I saw an old woman. She said, "Looks like rain, doesn't it?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I think so." I brought my umbrella. She nodded and said, "Smart choice." That simple exchange made my morning feel warmer. Think about your morning. What was the weather like when you woke up? Was it sunny or cloudy? Was it warm or cold? Try to describe it in your mind using the words we learned today. Imagine tomorrow morning. You wake up, look outside, and think in English. It's sunny today or it's rainy today. This small habit will make your English stronger every single day. Learning English is not a race, it's a journey. Every word you learn matters. Today, you learned how to talk about the weather. Tomorrow, you'll learn something new. Step by step, you're becoming more confident. I believe in you. I believe in your ability to learn and grow. Every person who speaks English fluently started exactly where you are right now. You're on that same path, and I'm here with you every step of the way. So here's what I want you to do tomorrow. When you wake up, look outside and describe the weather in English. Just one sentence. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's cold. And if you can, use that sentence with someone. Send a text. Say it to a friend. Use your English in the real world. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Thank you for trusting me and being brave enough to try. Remember, this is EnglishSpeakEz, your safe space. We're in this together. Take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. You're doing amazing. I'll see you in the next lesson, my friend. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep shining. Goodbye for now.